Future of monocot and dicot. Features of monocot. Monocotyledon is commonly known as a monocot. They have seed with one embryonic leaf or cotyledon. This group contains about 6,000 species. The smaller embryo is with only one cotyledon and the cotyledon is thin and scale-like. The stem is generally embranched. The leaves are provided with parallel variation and their margins are smooth. And lastly, they have fibrous root system. Future of dicot. Dicotyledon plants are also known as the dicot. These plants have two embryonic leaves or cotyledon. They contain about 200,000 species. That root is formed from a dicotyledonous plant. The vein usually net-like. Vascular bundle usually arranged in ring and lastly they have two cotyledons.
The benefit of monocot and dicot in industry. Agriculture industry. Monocot and dicot account for a very large portion of human diet as well as the diet that nourish livestock. The most widely consumed are maize, wheat, and rice, which combine to supply about 90% of global grain production. Monocots and dicots are grown for the oil that can be extracted from them. Palm and corn oil monocots are used in cooking to manufacture industry products and as biofuel. Horticulture and forestry industry. Most lumber comes from the gymnosperm, but hardwood derived from dicots such as cherry, maple, ash, and oak is harvested for flooring, furniture, and fine woodworking. Bamboo is receiving increasing attention such as quickly renewable source of furniture and flooring material. Grasses, flowers, shrubs, and hardwood trees are mainstay of garden, yard, park, and public space. Their cultivation and maintenance are thriving industry. Fiber industry. These fibers are used for thread, textile, rope, carpet, and fine paper. Wood fiber are produced by pulping and then pressing plant matter into sheets of varying thickness and rigidity from tissue to paper to fiberboard. Conifers are the most common source of wood fiber, but hardwood, bamboo, hemp, cottonseed, and sugarcane are also used.
Next is the difference between dicot and monocot. The dicot stem is solid in the most of the cases, while the monocot stem is usually hollow at the center. The internal tissue are arranged in concentric layers, while in the monocot there is no concentric arrangement of tissue. The vascular bundles are formed as broken rings in dicot, while in the monocot the vascular bundles are scattered irregularly around the ground tissue. The vascular bundles in dicot are less in number and are formed with size. The monocot are numerous vascular bundles of different sizes. The vascular bundles are always remain open due to the presence of cambium within phloem and xylem, while in the monocot the vascular bundles are closed. The dicot stem can feature secondary growth as a result of secondary vascular tissue and peridium formation, and in monocot there are no secondary growth is witnessed in case of monocots.
Summary. Plant can divide into two categories, that is dicot and monocot. As we know, leaf was a very important structure of the plant because they are in charge of feeding the plant to carry out the photosynthesis. The monocot, also known as monocotyledon, that form one first leaf, while the dicotyledon form two. Monocots and dicots form different leaves. As we know that monocots form parallel veins while dicots form branching veins. Other than that, one significant difference can be observed by the vascular bundle. Monocots have the vascular bundle structured randomly through the stem, while the vascular bundle of the dicot are arranged in the concentric circle. As we know, different herbicides react with different kind of plant. Also, we begin to understand the different structure of the plant we are treating. We can better nourish and grow them.